The unique feature of this work is that it will be performed at the cutting edge of technology and health policy. That's one thing. We expect to see an interplay between computational sciences, modeling, and policy making. And these three will come together to have a bearing on this project outcomes. What has also happened through this project is we have a group, for example, Access Health International, that has a lot of network in the Asian region, in countries like India, Philippines, Thailand, etc. They have access to people working in the health sector. So that will bring a lot of information for us. Also, they have a lot of accumulated data. A research group like mine has lots of technologies that can be harnessed to make use of data, both qualitative and quantitative data, and extract out information that can be used for policy making. So basically, coming together of these two will be regarded as a unique feature of this project, because sometimes people only have data, but they don't necessarily make use of the data in any good sense. On the other hand, people may have technology, but they don't have a good application. So this one has both the ingredients, and I think that will develop into something useful for the Asian region in terms of healthcare. It will add more rationality and transparency to policy making. Right now, policies are made, but they are made based on gut feeling and stuff like that. It happens in all sectors, not only in the healthcare sector, but in many sectors. People are not putting the data that they get from systems to make the systems better. So what one visible impact will be through this project is it will make healthcare policies that much more rational and more transparent. That's one thing we will see through this project. And we also will see the ideas diffuse from our work based in Singapore, but we are studying systems across Asia. But the ideas that we distill, the good practices and the things to be avoided, etc., those kinds of things can be ported to other countries in the region. And I think Asia needs it, because Asia is rich in many ways, but it also faces a lot of problems, particularly in the area of chronic diseases. So it is important that knowledge diffuses out and good practices get established everywhere. So we learn from many things, and we also teach other things. I think that will be a visible impact of this work. NIHA has two kinds of vision statements. Okay, basically it talks about thinking and policy formulation. Now our project basically involves people from different sectors. As I pointed out, we are going to have technologists, we are going to have some computational scientists, we are going to have people from the health sector. So, and there may be other people also as we go along. So what can happen is basically thinking from different perspectives, I think, will add value to our work. So one of the visions or missions of NIHA in terms of being a think tank and a place for policy formulation will be achieved through this work. The second vision of NIHA is to elevate Singapore to a leading position in terms of healthcare and health policies, etc. The work that we are doing will make some fundamental contributions to science, which is at the cutting edge of technology and policy making. So some fundamental things are also likely to come out of this work, and I think that will make NIHA a global leader centered in Asia. Thank you.